So moving one reservation from one event to another event. You'll see here we have 3 people, 2 flyers, 1 observer. They are booked on our parasailing, remember the 12th at 11 o'clock. For whatever reason, we're not going to be able to take that trip out. Let's just assume there's a weather incident. So we can't do the parasailing, we can do something else. 3 dots here are actually your menu buttons. Click them, and we're going to move to another event. First thing it asks you is what event you're going to move to. So we're going to move it to the Hawaiian volcano tour because it's a land-based tour, not quite so affected by the weather. It's confirming you're moving reservation from parasailing to the volcano tour. Hit save. First question it's going to ask you is what day do you want to do that tour? We're going to do it on the same day because we still want to go on Saturday. We have 3 people going. There we are, booked our time. As you'll see, that's it. Very simple. They are moved. They are no longer going parasailing. They are now going on the Hawaiian volcano tour. 3 people. All the information is moved straight across with them, all their contact details, etc. And you'll see that they've actually got a $15 credit. Now, if you want to actually refund that, all you need to do is drop down into your transactions. Transaction here. We're going to refund the $15 because this one's a little bit cheaper. If there is a reason in here which you can add, so we have changed events, that's why we're refunding, and then we just hit the word refund and the money has gone back to the customer. As you can see here, it's a transaction, and now the balance is 0.